Have you ever dreamed of living by the seaside? Hi, I'm Rosie Black, property partner for CR Real Estate. Today I'm going to show you around an exclusive development of 3 and 4 bedroom detached houses. Each home offers spacious living accommodation, stunning kitchens and beautifully appointed bathrooms, finished to an exceptional standard. There are only a few plots left for sale. Let me show you around one of them now. These homes really do offer something different. With the modern kitchen dining space overlooking the fields, modern living has really been thought of when designing these properties. Split across 3 levels, we have 4 double bedrooms, the master of which boasts an ensuite shower room and stunning views across the countryside. Situated in a popular residential area within walking distance of the beach and a small parade of shops. Primary schools are located in both New Romney and Littlestone, while the Marsh Academy Secondary School is within walking distance. The ever-expanding market town of Ashford is within easy driving distance and offers a far greater selection of shopping facilities. Access to the M20 motorway is via Ashford or Hythe. The motorway also giving easy access to the Channel Tunnel and Port of Dover. High-speed rail services are available from Ashford International Railway Station, and travelling time to London St Pancras is under 40 minutes. If you're looking for a change of lifestyle and can see yourself living by the coast, give me a call on the number below.